Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I make videos related to education, travel, public speaking and vlogs. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. What I've got in store for you in today's video is 5 hidden features of Zoom application. Let's directly get into the video and see what are the 5 features. Zoom everywhere in this virtual world. It is very important to know features of these applications. So now let us see what are the features. Visual appearance is the most important thing. Now Zoom has introduced Immersive View, in which you can customize all the speakers according to your template or the templates that are readily available. This is very helpful in organizing graduation ceremonies and parties, etc. Using breakout rooms is next in my list. You can create 5 to 10 rooms here. You can assign people automatically, manually, and also let people choose their rooms. Now I have assigned Kite to room number 1, and I can even move him to other rooms as well. You can add new rooms, you can delete, also you can rename the rooms according to your wish. I've renamed room number 3 to class A, and similarly you can do it for others as well. And this gives you a proper listing of what are all the rooms available and what are the rooms that are deleted. Now once you open the room for all, you can see what is the current status of people in a particular room. For example, Guys is not joined yet in room number 4. So we can inform Guy to join in room number 4, and yes, you can see he has joined room number 4 as you get a green dot here. And then you can move him to another room and see the current status again. So this gives a chance for live monitoring, as if what are the people inside rooms doing and what is the strength of the people in the rooms. You can also broadcast few messages like come back to main room. That signals all of the participants coming back to the main room. This is how you use a breakout room, and this is a really cool feature. Number 3 is, as I've told earlier, visual appearance is the key in any virtual meeting. There is also a need for adjusting and also illuminating the video of yours. So Zoom has recently introduced touch up my appearance and adjust for low light, which are 2 features that many of you miss using. Also, do not forget using the HD option available for better quality in your pictures. Number 4 is having a good control over the security of your meetings. You can try out disabling options such as share screen, chat, and turning on the videos for better security. The best option is to suspend all the participant activities and it goes in like a webinar. So this option is a recent addition to Zoom. Last but not the least, and the most important thing to know, is what are all the options available in share screen. There is a scope for multiple people sharing the screen in Zoom. And also, there are a lot of options such as PowerPoint as a virtual background portion of a screen sharing. A portion of a screen sharing, in my view, is one of the best feature available and the most rarely used one. If you are using portion of the screen feature, you are only sharing portion of a screen and you can use the other portion while you're presenting for hiding your notes. Right, that's a hack for you. You can also use your computer audio and also share sound option below. Zoom also provides video and content sharing from second camera as well. You can share your files from the files folder. Now this is a place that is unexplored and has a lot of features in it.